Hey, good morning. This is Ajay Kumar studying in ILM Academy of Higher Learning Greater Noida. First of all, I I'm going to thank Intern Academy to give me this opportunity for selecting me in their internship. So basically, my project is on automatic mailing system. As you know the name, as you know from the name, that what is automatic mailing system means sending a sending a single mail to the lot of peoples, like basically used in factories, industries, company, and many more. So so let's go to our code and see what is it. So first of all, we have, so this is my code overview of it. So first we have imported SMTP lib. So it is basically used to send mail to any internet machine with an SMTP for accessing data. So now the next we have imported the MIME multipart, which is used to access the from, send, and the address of receiver. The next is from email mind.text import MIME text. MIME text, it is used for sending text email that as for the subject from and many options. And now the next is our import pandas SPD. Panda is used to extract data from the file like Excel sheet, Word sheet, and etc. Means accessing the data of the sheet. Now the next is import date and time. So basically import date and time means the date and the reason and the time of the our system. So next here is a today date time for the self time and the year. Now there is a employee data. So basically we have to store our data of the employee in a Excel sheet. So here we have imported it. Then it will be read the data from the sheet one, because in a sheet one we have to store the details of the employees. Now see here you can see this is a sheet one where employees data is stored from 1 2 3 4 peoples. Now now let's view of a code. So we had already seen the seed one. Now go for the seed two, where we have stored the data of all the holidays, weekends, and the events like Dasara, Diwali, New Year. So now let's go for our code. So here this is the seat one, seat two. Then then we have access the from address. From address means we know that from which email address we are going to send email. That this is my email address, family sing gkp@gmail. We can use any other also as per our need. Now there is a two address. Already we have imported Excel sheet for the two address. Now here for index item in HT. Now holiday is equal to item date time, means holidays ki jo list, the the data of our holidays are extracted from sheet 2, which I already seen earlier. Now for the message MIME multipart and message from address means where we have sent, from where we are sending messages. Now it will join the addresses of all the emails in our sheet 1, where we have provided the data of emails. Now here is a body. In body we basically, and here is firstly we will see of the subject means for for what purpose we are sending email, like notice for holidays, notice for any meeting, for any seminar, like. So now here is a body. In body we store our message, which is our main email, the part of message, as like we are sending email for any holidays. So we will store the data of any data and a message of any holidays, or a wish. If it is for a Diwali, then it will be a wish message. Now so it is a, and there is a next importing of the attachment. Now next we have provided our email, which is a family ghkp and gmail.com, and next is our password for accessing our Gmail to send SMS. And the next is same SMTP lib and mail equal start. So this is the end of our code. So now let's see our sheet one, that how many addresses we had provided. So here as we are seeing that here is a Kuldeep and Vedai, Kuldeep Singh DHP and Kuldeep.Singh.ch23. So now go for seat 2. So now we will go for seat 2. And here we have taken example of 5 October means the today's date. So now we will run our code and see is it working properly or not. So see here, as we have already done our program. So basically it is doing it work. See here it is written process finished with exit code 0. So now we will go to our Gmail and check. See, yes, see here it is already been provided. Notice for holiday. Dear all staff, I wish to inform you all today that we will be holiday on the occasion of the Dasara. As we have already taken the 5 October at the occasion of the Dasara on our sheet 2. So we will check another email. Here it is also already email received. Notice for holiday. We will open it. Yeah, you can see here, dear all staff, I wish to inform you that there is a holiday. So friends, this is the end of our automatic mailing system. Thank you.